Hi, Block faculty. It's Malia here to show you how to use our shared Google Calendar. So first off, you want to make sure that you are logged into your Titan apps. And you can see that I am here in the top right-hand corner where it says Titan apps, and then it shows my little thumbnail of my picture. So to do that, make sure that you just log into your email and then go to your Google Drive, and you can map to your Google Calendar, and it will make sure that you are logged into your Titan apps. From there, it'll open up your calendar. You can see right here I have my mail, my calendar, my drive open. And on the left-hand side here, if you scroll down, you can see all the calendars that are shared with my Titan Apps account. Right now, I only have the Block 21 and Block 23 checked. Those are the only two calendars that I'm going to see. You'll notice that Block 21 is in blue, and then Block 23 is in purple. You are certainly welcome to change the color of that calendar to whatever you want. It'll only show that color for you. It won't change it for everybody else. And to do that, you just hit the little three dots to the right of the calendar, and you can select whatever color that you want. If you don't want to see Block 23 calendar, perhaps you have a lot of things on your calendar and you just don't want to see that, you just simply unclick it. If you don't want to see Block 21 calendar, same thing, just unclick it. But for this, I'm going to show what it looks like. So you'll notice, since we are all sharing those calendars together, you'll see all of the classes that are scheduled for those students in that block. Now, if you want to schedule something, let's say you want to schedule something here on the 21st, just double click in there, go ahead and add in whatever it's called, class. It's going to default to all day. You'll want to change that. So let's go ahead and allow it to be 10 to 10:30. You'll notice if you scroll down right here, it says Malia Hoffman. That's my default calendar. It's always going to put it on your default calendar. You'll want to hit the down arrow and select which calendar you want to put it on. You can color coordinate that as well. If you want certain events to be certain colors, you can certainly change that. You can add a notification if you want to, add conferencing. If you want to add a Google Hangout option to this, you can click that. And that way when your students, all they have to do is open up this appointment and they can pull up and click this link where it says Google Hangout, and it'll open up Google Hangouts for them. You do not need to add any guests over here because this calendar is shared with all students who are enrolled in this block. So that makes it super easy. And if you want it to repeat, you can do that. If you're changing the class time, I've already added in your reoccurring classes. But if you are changing a class time, or if you want to have online office hours or something like that, you can click this and go to custom. And then you can say, okay, every week on Wednesdays, I want this same appointment to reoccur. And then you can change it so that it ends on perhaps the last day of the last week of the semester and change it to that. So this will just create a reoccurring appointment every Wednesday at 10 o'clock a.m. until this date. You hit OK, and you can add in any other attachments, links. If you want to link up to a Google Doc or something else, if you want to add a description in there, you can. And that should be sufficient. And I'm going to go ahead and say save. And now you'll see this here, and we can scroll through the calendar and notice that it's all the way through November. Let's say you want to cancel on the 13th for whatever reason. Actually, this is a good example. The 27th, we don't have class that week because it's Thanksgiving, or is it this week? Whichever week. So let's say it's this week for Thanksgiving. You want to cancel it. So I'm going to hit this. I'm going to hit trash. It's going to ask if you want to only delete this event, this and everything after this, or all of the events. I only want to delete this event, and I'm sure of it, so I'm going to hit OK. Notice it only disappeared for that event. Now, let's say you're not wanting this appointment on this calendar. If you do the same thing, if you hit delete and you hit all events, it will delete it all the way through. If that is not your event, please do not delete it, because it will delete it off of everyone's calendar. So I'm just going to hit cancel on that one. And that's not something that I can easily undo. I have to go in and manually re-add those events. But Since I just did this as an example, I am going to delete this event by clicking on it one time, hit delete all events, so that takes it off. And that should do it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Also, if you need more with your mobile device, if you need help adding or not looking at what we have on your mobile device, your phone or your iPad, I can help you with that as well. Hopefully this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions.